Before you know any German, you have to understand that there are important things in German called articles. We have them in English too. It's the words like the and a, the house or a dog. In German, there's der, die, and das, and ein and eine. Those are the nominative cases of those words. That's not important now, you'll have to learn that a little bit later. If you learn the word for school, which is Schule, you should also learn that it's a feminine word, so it should be die Schule. For dog, it's Hund, but you should learn it as der Hund because it's a masculine word. When you learn the word baby, which is baby in German, you should learn it as a neuter word, so it's das Baby. Whenever you're learning a word, don't learn it without the article, or else you'll end up being confused later on, and you don't want that. Another important thing to understand is the pronunciation. This gets better with time, but it's better to work on it early on. If you don't go in with like a basic understanding of the pronunciation of certain letters and letter combinations, it's hard to improve it. And you, especially if you're learning by yourself, once you have those concepts understood, then you can start building your vocabulary, integrate some words into your life like hallo instead of hello, or auf Wiedersehen instead of goodbye, or tschüss instead of bye. Just learn little words that you can use throughout your day to get you started. And then once you feel comfortable with the idea of German, then make like study plans for yourself instead of learning a bunch of different words for the entire time that you're learning German. And I learned that the hard way. I would try to learn like different languages from Spanish to Korean, and what I would do was I would go on the internet and I would search new words. I would go on videos that had like Valentine's Day words, and I would just write down all of the lists of words that I had, and then I would go back and read them again, like for a couple of days, but then they would just seem like all new words to me. In the next video, I'll talk about how you can build your study plan specifically for German. Let's just get started with learning some really simple vocabulary. I'll give you a few words for now. Hallo, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss, der Freund, die Mutter. Use those 5 words that I just gave you in your everyday life. If you get the hang of it, move on to the next step. Thanks for watching.